Find your sub. Where's your sub, Chris? The lunch ladies have it. Watch, it's our lunch tomorrow.
In the girls' bathroom.
In the girls' bathroom. Mm-hmm. No, it's in there. Alysha put it in there.
Seriously, Chris, I put it in.
Chris, it's in there. I don't care. Take it. See if I care.
We just gonna
No, Chris! If you get that dirty, I'll kill you.
We just gonna keep your stuff.
Alysha, get a sub.
Chris, it's in there.
Get the sub.
Yeah, it's in the girls' bathroom. You go get it. Give me the damn. Chris, give it. Alysha, get his damn sub. Alysha, get the sub. If he puts it in the trash can, Alysha, I'm kicking your and his ass. Give me the hoodie. Give it.
Are you still videotaping?
Oh yeah, I am taping.
Cool.
It's selfies.
It's up there. It's not in the bathroom.
Chris, look in the thing where we get our lunch. It's in there. I swear to God. Come with me. This will please our MySpace fans. It's like, what the hell? Now come here. Chris.
Woohoo!
We found treasure!
Let's go.
Like, buy it, Tootie.
I told Alysha, I'm like, watch it cook it. Hooray! Say bye, Chris. Say bye, Chris. Bye, Chris.